I hope you all are doing great class. So today is 3rd of June 2021 and the day is Thursday. Fine? Okay. So class, in previous lesson we have discussed divisibility rule for number 5. Isn't? Divisibility rule for number 5. So who will tell me what conditions that we have discussed yesterday to check divisibility rule for number 5? Yes, Talha, you tell me. Very good. We have set the rule to check divisibility for number 5 is any number zero or and 5 ended at its unit place. So we will simply write the given number is divisible by number 5. ओके, यही रूल हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था लास्ट क्लास में. हमने क्या रूल पढ़ा था नंबर 5 के लिए? We want 0 and 5 in its unit place. तो ही हम सिंपली उसको क्या कह सकते हैं? The given number is divisible by 5. Fine? So class, today we will do divisibility rule for number 10. Okay? Divisibility rule for number 10. So what is the rule to check divisibility on number 10? Any number with 0 as its unit place, any number ended with 0, so we can simply write the given number is divisible by number 10. Okay? Any number ended with 0, so we can simply write the given number is divisible by 10. Clear है ये सबको? So let's take an example to check divisibility of number 10. We have a number 240. We have a number 240 and we want to check divisibility for number 10 on this number. So what would we do class? हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? We will check if its unit place ended with 0 or not. ठीक है? अगर उसका जो नंबर एंड हमारे पास 0 पे होगा, जो कि एक्चुअल में क्या है? उसकी यूनिट प्लेस है. If it is ended with 0, so we can simply get the given number is divisible by number 10. Fine? So as you know, it is a 3-digit number and its unit place ended with 0. ऐसे ही है, 0 पे एंड हो रहा है ना ये वाला नंबर, तो हम क्या कहेंगे कि जो गिवन नंबर है वो क्या है? डिविजिबल है किस पर? 10 पर. सो वी विल राइट हियर yes 0 as its unit place ended with 0. So we will simply write yes, it is divisible by 10 because its unit place ended with 0. Fine? Okay. Now we have question number 7 from exercise number 2A, page number 22 and question number 7. Question number 7. We have a statement: which of the following numbers are divisible by 10? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 10? I have a part in which 7,281 like this. Okay, so what condition that we have studied to satisfy or to apply divisibility rule for number 10? हमने क्या कंडीशन जो है इसके लिए पढ़ी थी कि हमारे पास क्या कंडीशन होगी, सो उसकी बेस पे हम कहेंगे yes that number or the given number is divisible by number 10. Very good. We have discussed class, if the unit place of the given number is ended with 0, so we can simply write we will simply write the given number is divisible by 10. We will simply write the given number is divisible by 10. Fine? Is it clear to all of you class? सबको clear है ये? Okay. Now according to this question we have 0 in the end. Oh, 1 in the end. So according to place value we have like this. I am going to start from this side. So 1 is at 1's or unit place, 8 is at 10th place, 2 is at 100 place and 7 is at 1000th place. So should I say that class, क्या मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि जो given number है वो divisible है number 10 पे? बट हमने तो क्या पढ़ा था, क्या कंडीशन पढ़ी थी क्लास हम लोगों ने? Yes Sadim, you tell me. What condition that we have discussed to check divisibility rule for number 10? Very good. We want 0 as its unit place. अगर हमारे पास 0 होगा तो ही हम उसको सिंपल क्या कहेंगे कि जो गिवन नंबर है वो क्या है, डिविजिबल है किस पर, 10 पर. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे तो हमारे पास क्या है, 7,281. 1 is at unit place, 1 ही है ना हमारे पास यूनिट प्लेस पर. सो व्हाट वुड वी राइट दिस हियर, क्या हम लोग लिखेंगे? Very good. We will write here no, it is not divisible by 10 as its unit place not ended with 0. ओके, यूनिट प्लेस जो है वो क्या होनी चाहिए, 0. आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट क्लास. डिविजिबिलिटी रूल फॉर नंबर 10 वी हैव डिस्कस्ड, विच इज इट इज कंपल्सरी दैट द यूनिट प्लेस एंडेड विद 0. जो यूनिट प्लेस है वो उसके ऊपर क्या आना चाहिए, 0. सो इन दिस वे वी विल सिंपली से दैट the given number is divisible by 10. But according to this part, we have 1 at its unit place. So we can say it is divisible by 10 or not? No. We can say no, it is not divisible by 10 because its unit place not ended with 0. ठीक है, हम क्या कहेंगे कि ये तो नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि उसकी जो यूनिट प्लेस है वो तो 0 पे एंड ही नहीं हो रही है. फाइन. ओके, लेट्स डू अनदर एग्जांपल व्हिच इज 81. B part 81 space 080. 81 space 080. So class, क्या कंडीशन पढ़ी थी हम लोगों ने? What condition that we have discussed to check divisibility rule for number 10 class? Very good. We have discussed if the number ended with 0, अगर तो हमारे पास यूनिट प्लेस पे नंबर क्या होगा? एंड होगा 0 पे. So we can say yes, it is divisible by 10. ठीक है, तो हम सिंपली क्या कहेंगे कि वो नंबर जो है वो क्या है? 10 पर डिवाइड हो रहा है. We will say yes, it is divisible by 10. So according to this number, we will write first its unit place value. I will write the place value here. Unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Is it? So class, according to this we have class 0 is at unit place. 0 क्या है? Unit place पे है. So we will simply write yes, it is divisible by 10. Yes, it is divisible by 10 as its unit place ended with 0. ओके, क्या हम सिंपली यहाँ पे राइट करेंगे yes, it is divisible by 10 as its unit place ended with 0. Isn't class? सबको क्लियर हो गया ये? How we will write, how we will check divisibility rule for number 10. ठीक है? Now I am going to take another example, which is C. So what would we do? According to statement, we have a question is which of the following numbers are divisible by 10? So हमने आज के लेसन में क्या पढ़ा है क्लास? डिविजिबिलिटी रूल फॉर नंबर 10 को सेटिस्फाई करने के रूल्स पढ़े. क्या रूल्स थे उसके? क्या रूल था जो उसकी कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है? Who will tell me? Yes, Mariam, you tell me. Very good. To check divisibility rule for number 10, first of all we want 0 as its unit place. ठीक है, हम लोगों को जो है वो यूनिट प्लेस पर क्या चाहिए? 0. If its unit place ended with 0, so we can simply say or write as yes, the given number is divisible by 10. ठीक है, अगर तो यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 होगा तो हम सिंपली क्या कहेंगे कि जो गिवन नंबर है वो क्या है? डिविजिबल है किस पे? 10 पे. सो इफ यू लुक क्लास, वी हैव 0 एट इट्स यूनिट प्लेस. व्हेन आई विल राइट like this and I want to write its unit place from the right side. The first number from the right side we will take as then 1000 and 10,000. Fine? Okay. So according to this place value, we have 0 as its unit place. So we will simply write yes, the given number which is 10 space 000 is divisible by 10 as its unit place ended with 0. ठीक है, जो उसकी यूनिट प्लेस है वो किस पे एंड हो रही है? 0 पे. सो वी विल सिंपली राइट इट्स यूनिट प्लेस एंडेड विद 0. I am going to repeat again. You have to be listen class very carefully. I have a number which is 10,000 and I want to check divisibility rule for number 10. So what would I do? मैं क्या करूँगी? Very good. First of all, I will write the place value of each number. Through this, it is easy to find out the unit place value. ऐसे ये इससे क्या होगा, हमारे लिए easy हो जाएगा कि हम उसकी unit place को find out कर सकें. When I will write unit place of each number, I look firstly I see if its unit place ended with 0 or not. अगर तो वो नहीं होगा 0 पर एंड, तो मैं उसको सिंपली क्या कहूँगी? नो, द गिवन नंबर इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 10. ठीक है, अगर तो वो हमारे पास सिंपली 10 पे 0 पे एंड होगा तो मैं क्या कहूँगी? सिंपली यस, इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 10 बिकॉज इट्स यूनिट प्लेस ended with 0. Fine? Okay. So let's take another example which is D part. I have 90 space 005. 90 space 005. So class, what would I do in this question? क्या कंडीशन पढ़ी थी हम लोगों ने? डिविजिबिलिटी रूल फॉर नंबर 5 के लिए we want 0 as its unit place, isn't? हम लोगों ने यही पढ़ा था ना कि हम लोग को 0 जो है वो कहाँ चाहिए? यूनिट प्लेस पे चाहिए. So according to this number we have 5 in its unit place. So should we say that the given number is divisible by 10? क्या हम कह सकते हैं कि जो हमारे पास नंबर है वो 10 पर डिविजिबल है? No, we will not write like this. Okay? हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? The given number is the given number having unit place is 5. Fine? So it is not divisible by 10. 10 के लिए हमारे पास रूल क्या होना चाहिए कि जो उसका नंबर यूनिट प्लेस पे है वो क्या हो? 0. It is compulsory. Okay? So no, the given number which is 90 space 005 is not divisible by 10 as its unit place not ended with 0. Okay? So we will simply write no, it is not divisible by 10 as its unit place not ended with 0. Fine class? So this is all which is related to your divisibility rule for number 10. If you find any difficulty, still you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.